Hey everyone! So I wanted to come on quickly and show you a few things that I've got from Lace and Whimsy. Lace and Whimsy, Kathy's store, is by far my favorite sticker store, like, ever. And I picked up some goodies and then she treated me to her April Whimsy mail stickers. So I want to come on and show you those things. And so I have everything in the box still, so I'm just going to take it out and show you what I got. So if you've been watching me or following me for a while, you know that I love Lace and Whimsy stickers, and me and Kathy kind of go back and forth with showing each other's products, and I just really love her stickers. I love her illustrations. They're just... it's kind of like we're a match made in heaven almost, because it's just awesome. So I'm going to go in and show you what I purchased from her shop. So this is what I purchased. Let's show you the enamel pen. So this one actually comes with a cute little polishing cloth, which is really cute. So I purchased her, this is the moth one, the whimsical moth one in the gunmetal. So the metal isn't... I think the other one was rose gold. This one is a gunmetal color, so I'll show you. This is my second pin of hers. I have the swan one, and that one is on my pink Disney bag. But I've been eyeing this one for a while, and so see, it's gunmetal. And I'm hoping to put it on my little... I bought like a denim bag, and I have some Disney pins there that are all like blue and purple kind of colored. So this one perfectly matches my Eeyore pin. So that is my blue Disney bag. I have a blue one and I have a pink one now. Well, I have a pink one and now I have a blue one. And this one's going to be on my blue Disney bag, and it's so pretty. And like the inside is glitter and everything. And of course I will leave links down below to everything that I got, and then her website and everything like that. So that is the first thing that I bought, was this pin. And then I treated myself to some stickers. I was waiting for her new collection, because if you've been if you follow her on Instagram and you've been seeing all of her recent posts, like, her new collection is so pretty. It has like roses and butterflies, and they're all pastel, and it's just beautiful. Teacups and all sorts of things. So I had this stuff in my cart and I was waiting for those stickers, and then she's just like, you know what, I'm gonna just send you them. So I went ahead and ordered my stickers. So she has a new business card, which I love because it's shimmery. Like, it has like a... it's like... I don't know if you can see it on the camera at all, but it's so cute. Anyway, so I ordered these 4 sticker sheets. I guess this is her little sampler. This is a coupon code here, but I will leave a better coupon code down in the description box. This one only gives 10% off, but if you use Ariel Lovely 15, you will get 15% off your purchase, and I will leave that code down below with the links and everything. But this is like a new sampler, and it's so cute. It has a mixture of her... this one was the Valentine's Day one, the Follies, and her... the unicorn collection that she came out with too. That's cute. So I ordered these. Let's see if this one, like I said, was from the Follies collection. It was like her February Valentine's-y collection, and I think this one was as well. So these two are from the exact same collection. This one is like a heart-shaped. I hope it fits in my little... I have like a little kind of photo album thing where I keep all my Lace and Whimsy stickers. This one may not fit, but it's so cute. I really love this angel girl that she made. Like, she did it in a bunch of different ways. And I love this one. I love these little handwritten things. Oh, they're so cute. And the vials and the crystals. And yeah, so those are 2 that I picked up. This one is from an older, like, not quite recent. It's from her Pastel Witch, and I believe this is number 1. I was debating getting number 2 as well, but I just really like the number 1, so I just picked up the number 1 sticker sheet. I love the colors, and I love these roses so much. And then this one is a small one from... I actually don't remember. I feel like it was one of her Whimsy Mail month. Maybe it was last month. I really don't remember. But this one is from her Celestial Follies collection. And I'm in love with this girl. the Star Girl, like, but she's redoing her the tarot card illustrations, and I love this girl too. Just love her girls. They're so cute, and they're very feminine, and it's just it's so pretty. So I picked that one up as well. So those are the stickers that I picked up, and this is the little sampler. And now to her new collection. And so this is not in her shop yet. This is if you subscribe to her Whimsy mail or her Whimsy box this month. I believe the cutoff was the 15th of April, so you can no longer get the Whimsy mail or the Whimsy box for this month. But if you did subscribe, then these are the stickers that you would have gotten, I think, in both, but this is the Whimsy mail, which is just an envelope full of goodies. Whereas the box is a box. It's like a box like this, filled with more stuff in it. And again, I will leave all the links down below to how you can subscribe to that if you're interested. But if you won't get this if you end up subscribing. You will be getting next month's, because this is April's. But she said that she will have some of these stickers in her shop, so, but not anytime soon because she's currently away on vacation, so her shop's on vacation mode. But she will have some of these. But these, oh my goodness, I absolutely love this collection. So, like, if you all know, I'm a floral and I'm a butterfly enthusiast. Like, I love butterflies and I love florals in my journaling and my planners and all sorts of things. And I about died when I saw her butterflies, because these are so pretty. They're so pretty and they're in my colors, and it's just, oh my goodness. And they're prettier in person, because I was like gushing over every photo that she put on Instagram, but like, these are gorgeous. I love it. And I love the teacup. She kind of, like, she's done teacups before, but these are probably my favorite. They're so cute. They're really cute. And so I got 3 sheets, so like one like full one, and then these little sort of like sampler, like bigger sampler sized sheets. Yeah, it's just a lot of cute butterflies, the roses, more butterflies and keys and stuff like that. And then I believe these are vinyl stickers. They feel like vinyl, so I'm assuming they are. This one is a holographic butterfly, and then this one is that beautiful rose. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I know when her shop comes back online and she actually stocks these stickers, I'm probably going to have to get more, because this is by far one of my favorite Lace and Whimsy collections ever. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. And I feel like these guys are going to end up on my laptop because they're so pretty. Or I'm going to hoard them forever. I don't know. But yeah, so this is her new April collection that hopefully will be up in the shop the end of this month, probably. But if you subscribe to the Whimsy mail or the Whimsy box, you would have gotten this either already, or it's in the mail for you, waiting for you. And it's called Eclectic Curiosities. So that's what this collection is called. So yeah, just be on the lookout if you're interested in these stickers to check out her shop the ending of this month, probably early May as well, to see if she has them up. Or I think your best bet is to follow on Instagram so you can stay in the loop of all the Lace and Whimsy goodies. But yeah, so I just kind of wanted to come on and show you a quick little, not unboxing, but I guess show and tell of the stickers that I got. And just like, if I lay them all out, they're just so pretty. They're so, like, everything is really pretty and pastel, and like she uses a lot of purple, and I think that's like her color. And if you've been in like the stationery, sticker, planner, scrapbooking community long enough, you would know that purple is not a color that most companies actually use. Like, there are very few like collections that have like a purple color in it. I don't know what it is about purple. You can never find a collection with a good purple scheme, I should say. It's always like some weirdo purple combination, and yeah, I don't know. But like, purple's just obscure color. And that's another reason why I love her stickers so much, because she uses this lilac color, and it's just so pretty with the pastel pinks and the mints, and oh, it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna stop raving over these stickers now because I sound like I'm repeating myself, because it's just really pretty and I'm so happy. to have my goodies. You have no idea. So yeah, these are the stickers that I picked up, and this is the cute little enamel pin that I picked up, and I can't wait to put this all in my stash. And maybe, like, I've recently changed up like my planner journaling system, so hopefully I can do some videos using these stickers. They're just so pretty. You can stare at them forever. But I won't. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this little peek at some of the Lace and Whimsy goodies that I picked up, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!